Anyway, I called you to tell you I'm very sorry for what happened yesterday. And as I told you earlier, it wasn't my intention to hurt you, but I was compelled to do what I did simply because I have to use it as a deterrent for others not to follow suit. Because it's like, since morning you've been quiet. You're not yourself.
I'm going through a lot at home. I barely have money to support my brother and I. And then what happened yesterday, I used my boyfriend's money to do this. To buy this cake and all that.
Stop mentioning that name. I simply don't want to hear that. You tell me what it is.
And the money that was left in the house was what I came to use to do the celebration, and you ruined everything. And so we don't have anything else to...
But I pay you, don't I?
The money is not enough for all the bills we pay.
Anyway, as I said, I'm sorry for what happened. I promised you yesterday that I'll see to it that I'll meet you in a way you wanted. Yeah. Let's see. Hope this will be enough for that.
Thank you.
Oh, come on!
Thank you very much.
Oh, come on. You use it to
I just spent like 400 cedis on
them. It's okay, don't worry. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm so grateful.
Come on.
I'm really, really grateful.
Don't worry.
No, the worst to use to. Oh my God.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
You deserve better. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Make up your mind. It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you. I'm so grateful.
Yeah, it's okay. You attend to your work.
Wow. Hey, you've made my day. Thank you very much.
It's my responsibility to put a smile in your face.
Thank you.
Welcome. Alright.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Alright. Such a beautiful girl.
Time no day,
as long as you remain my employees, I've ruined others for lesser offenses than what you just did. Trust me, and I would like to see you enjoy what I do by ruining your lives. This should be the last, the last thing you do here without informing me officially.
And answer me.
Hey! I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Am I making myself clear?
Yes, boss.
Good. And to add it up, of late, I've been noticing some of you trying to lure my customers in. You think you're beautiful, isn't it? You will not blend my work with pleasure. Should I get you in that circumstance, understand yourself that right from that time you'll be off your duty. I hope I'm okay.
Boss, meet you with us more. It is say, almost is say na customer diba. Nenye egumumha na bonting eno bishiana street. Send you waiting akasa no, waiting nedi nkomo. Ana
Awadam kasi wo hunyansa.
Boss. Workers who
are you not a worker yourself?
Hey,
are you not a worker? Answer me, are you not a worker? Okay, so keep quiet and obey. So, do you have something to say?
Boss,
please. I wanted to ask what you were saying.
What was I saying?
So does it mean when customers are around, we shouldn't talk to them? We shouldn't talk to them?
I'm not saying you shouldn't talk to them. Why are you paid? Why are you paid? Oh, damn. This animal.
Also, quantum. What said you didn't buy?
Boss, it's fine, it's fine.
I keep telling you people, your job is to make my customers happy, not to give them pleasure. I hope you can make out the difference. Huh?
Time no day, unipa. Mo want him bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. Kumba ya uda enu botumu au mini. Mo want him bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. We dey grind all day for the money. Every day be payday, whether Sunday or Saturday.
Uncle, we have something to tell you.
What something? Don't hide anything from him. Tell him everything.
So these days, I've been having arguments with my boyfriend, and we want you to talk to him for us. He mostly gets angry, then he will threaten to hit me.
Ofa, she's lying. On chatting so rabunu or bunankasa.
Ana wo besa benyen ejan honorable sister.
Ofa, on to me some kwanu. Don't me tell Vidan.
He catch your head to hit
my
the
head.
the gra.
Bra.
Is it bra or grass?
Grass. All of them.
You can sometimes even take pistol and chase him. It's not easy.
Why don't you move from there?
Ofa,
shut up! I told you every day.
Uncle, we have nowhere to go. That's why we are coming to you, so that you will talk to him for us. Unless you would allow us to come and live with you here.
No, me I'm here, every day I get strangers, so I can't take you.
But if you are getting visitors here, why can't we
every
come
day,
here?
I get visited. So why cannot is it visited? Take my niece. Is it possible?
It's possible.
For what?
We can live here while the visitors
we can
come.
clean the place for you.
No, every day I have visited.
We have visitors.
Yeah. How would you hear to the Bia? I could get to a pan or Dobayo. I do
Ofa, every day I tell her. Every day I tell you.
Why are you saying
What?
that?
So shouldn't I say it?
Supporting, where are we going to
Support
stay?
who? Two people.
Shut up!
Uncle, don't be shouting at us like that. We've come to you.
You're here. It's too strong. You're here. It's too strong. Every day I told you one day. Your boyfriend beat you. You die.
Me, I can't keep on covering up for you.
If you're not keeping back up, how are you going to save your sister?
Ofa, I've told you, he's too strong. He will beat me if I try. Ofa, somebody that uses pistol to chase me. Ofa, by then I'm a man.
What the monko mebawo?
This evening, we are even scared to go there because it's going to be tough. Please come there today.
Ofa, please. Ofa.
Please try.
I'll come there today. I'll come there.
Thank
But
you.
you know something? We have to be careful about this boy. What there? I will a bit proud sister. I will know what there. There be a crowd sister. Not trying to baby above no one. I would be a to I will enter. Every day advise you. You be the man. So what's up with your sister? I'm fool. You go.
Uncle, when we were coming, we walked. Can you give us transport?
You are now one more walk. One into no walk every day.
Oh, but Ofa, who's a member?
Now walk into me mobile.
And by one
Now
hour.
walk about what for to me that I'm saying you
The
know.
sun is scorching.
We haven't just so the beer is about me. It's the beer na be keska. Adai.
Ofa, so we there, so we here. Ofa, me papa now why you?
The beer na me fa from me je wa no na ba bo ama on ties na build you. I'm on into no ejina.
Ofa.
Now you are
Ofa, man.
you 5 cities never we 5 cities necessary.
Uncle.
Yeah. Oh, pretend.
Oh, 10.
Stop rough.
I'm not rough.
But you doing rough.
I'm not doing rough. Please, the food we eat tonight.
They also, man. I was seeing a bonnie, you wouldn't scout. The sea I'm gonna come do. You turn them on a 10. Now, young cock, now, son, I'm in your son.
Offer,
Heading one and two a year. Not one and two symphony. Or by the S one and two bob. And that you do him a fatal.
Sir,
Runim, where this year you be all royal from royal family.
Nana found food. The first.
Oh, the best, yeah. God. The child fiance me baby.
Offer.
Young cock, necessary.
I don't want those girls to be touching your things. You see, I'm going to be your wife in no time.
Yeah, very
So I have to move in and take care of you, cook for you, your health, everything.
You watch me. I talked with her already. Also, she has to come in and cook for you.
Yeah, well, I know there's no problem. A good idea, but can I suggest this right now? No, you should just stay at home, maybe. At least we are close to each other.
Close to each other, baby.
Can I step in?
Okay.
The game. You say you be my man. Huh?
Yeah.
I got you in anything you do. You feel me? But what she's saying is true. Bro, she has to come in. Yeah. You guys will be couples in no time. So you have to know each other. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. And yes, anytime now, those girls have to be touching your things, cooking for you. Guy.
And they're coming from the house always. It's so stressful.
It's very stressful.
Yes.
Then you can come in.
Are you sure?
Why not?
So I'll come today or tomorrow.
You should just come tomorrow. Yeah.
Man, so let her come today. Bro,
she must go and prepare herself.
Why
are you fully prepared?
She is.
You should come.
So all you have to do is just come and pick me up.
Oh, that's not a big deal. I can come.
Gosh, man.
I love you.
Love you too.
Are you jealous?
The game. You know how they check you. You know the game. Oh, the game, and you know the game. You feel me?
Game changer.
That's how they check you. And hey, woman, I have to tell you this, Karen. I know my friend very much, and I know how he is. I know who he is. And Mecca said he's the perfect man for you. So you guys on the game, Charlie. You know the stress I went through before I got this girl.
Oh yeah.
And I don't want you to fail me. You feel me? My dude want to say naturally say Charlie, you cool.
So
you guys should click. Bob.
You know how I'm falling in love with her, so.
Me, they really made me a universal guy. I just go around effing up, I don't stay with one girl, but I know he stays with one girl. That's why I chose her.
Charlie, you should try and learn from us. Also, only one girl is staying no jay up and down.
As a guy, you say, "We'll be on a lie." You feel me? We are born, no. Now, me say stick to one girl, and that's caring, huh? Mio is supposed to go around and, test the girls, You see, they say the girls are waiting for the right person, huh?
You're the game player.
Me the right person. So me more call around before they meet the right person.
Okay.
You feel me?
We will do work for the meantime.
Exactly. So that's what I do now. But I like how you guys are too.
Like Charlie, I say you're quite cool.
What?
I say cool. And I'm about to me,
I mean, go to Africa, has that.
Time no day,
yeah. Finally.
Go, what's it on?
Saturday. We're okay. Now, this your home already. Since the same Urban just feel okay.
The game. Yeah, Miss Carey, so as my friend said, this is home. Just feel at home, what we feel. So if anything is the problem, just voice out. We are here to get it done.
Okay.
And feel safe too. Feel very safe.
Alright.
This is your home. They say the way of him, I'm parents
much better.
Always complaining. You don't love me.
I'm the only one you were here.
Yeah, it's very true. Because again, Charlie, you've decided to stay with her, She's your life partner now. So you're supposed to see her parents. Yeah. So
Oh yeah.
it was a good
But I
idea.
they say I discussed that with you yesterday. You say be
Thank you.
He supports me, right?
Yes.
And I say support me.
You guys are trying to convince me to settle with another with like
Try and
one
settle. Just see that. Just see the two of us. Try and settle.
Nah,
You might be bigger than more.
universal charges we play around. If you don't stay with one girl. May I
say because of ladies in Timba, some kind of some uncle do holidays or American also. That's why I'm busy boy.
so where would she sleep? Oboko girls room the other room.
Around that kitchen.
A question. I'm just asking.
Because now this house is only said.
About
Oh no.
the game. My guy.
You.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
I got that, bro.
You got to don't relax.
Yes, I have.
Alright.
I want to.
Very tired. You can help me. No problem. I got you, bro. I got you. Well.
Time no day, unipa. Mo wa nemre na peka kana sikaya.
Ejewa.
What?
Ejewa.
Why?
Ejewa, I'm tired.
You're tired.
I'm tired of these conditions we are in.
You know, these conditions, we are supposed to live with it because when our parents died, we've not had anyone else.
No, but I can't sit here and then try to manage or improvise in these conditions.
Which conditions?
Look at what Kobe does to you.
You are talking about
And then you are
Kobe.
here talking about it as if it's nothing. He shouts on you, he beats you, puts bruises on you.
Right now, what can we do about it? We can't do anything about it, can we? Who are you going to
We
talk
should just
to?
take our things and leave.
Leave
Ejewa.
to-
I
you
don't
have
know, but we
money?
should leave.
Why do you think I've left school and then I'm taking care of you, I'm working to get money for you?
But that doesn't mean put you through this stress.
Oh, it's not like I really love him. It's just that I feel like it's because of the stress we've been giving him. That's why he has been acting that way. Imagine taking care of your girlfriend and her brother. It's not easy. It's not easy. Come on, he's trying. So right now it's up to you for you to learn hard and then get a better job and then come and then take us with from this situation.
Ejewa, I mean, I can't keep living in this. No, I can't keep living.
So what can you do?
We should go and move, like go and stay somewhere, maybe with our uncle or something.
How
It's
many
better than
times has
living
he
here.
giving you money? He's always coming to talk about Kobe, but he doesn't do anything to help us. Honestly speaking, how many times has he given you money? How many times? We always go to him that we want money. Whenever Kobe doesn't give us money, we go to him that we want money. We need this, and he doesn't provide anything. He will just act as if he gets, he will give, but he's always having, but he always doesn't give. Oh, be smart about that. Kobe is really helping us. You should know that. You have to be grateful.
If he's really helping us and still inflicting pain on you, then we don't want his help anymore. We don't want his help anymore. How can I just sit here idly just because he beats you constantly, and because I don't have the strength to fight back, I have to just sit there like a doll in the corner watching you get hit? Ejewa, I can't. You are my sister.
I know that sometimes I don't deserve to be beaten, but I feel like sometimes we deserve to be shouted on.
Deserve to be? What do you mean?
Because sometimes when
Is
we
he your dad? Is he your uncle or something?
he's the one who takes care
He's
of
just
us.
your boyfriend, Ejewa.
My boyfriend that we are both living with. We are both living with him. He's taking
Then
care.
let's leave. How many times do you want me to say it? Let's get something new.
We cannot go anywhere. And besides, I'm in love with him. I can't just leave him. Vaughn, just understand me.
I'm
in love with him. What do you mean by that? Right now, I don't think I can do anything about it. Plus, the work I'm doing is not providing any much money for me to say, let's leave here. We cannot leave. He's the only one who supports us. There's no one else. Who else? Aside our uncle, we don't know anyone. Since our parents passed away, we've been struggling. This is nothing new. Let's try to endure
Yeah, I've heard you.
Time no day, unipa. Mo want him bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. Kumba ya huda nu botumu au mini. Mo want him bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. We dey grind all day for the money. Every day be payday.
How do you see this place?
I love it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I love everything about it. The aesthetics.
Mm-hmm.
It's screaming luxury.
Oh yeah, this place is very nice. I really enjoy this place.
You
I really
see
feel
how
at
happy
home.
you are with me being around.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's why I wanted to come here to entertain you.
Yes, yes, okay. You're such a very loving girl.
Thank you.
I really love
I
you.
love you too. Yes, and then you were talking about something earlier. About the marriage.
About the marriage?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but you know, we are just planning on it, and
when? It's taking forever.
I'm currently waiting for Neil, my brother. He said he has some event planners and organizers who will take care of everything. So
how many days is it going to take?
Probably, I don't know, but let's just wait for him.
I trust you.
He'll be okay.
And then no, don't forget about the wedding. It should be something big, like it should scream luxury. You know, I have to be the talk of like this town and everything.
Oh yeah, you know I can do everything for my wife.
And then I want a car on my wedding day.
A car? Just a car?
No, just a car.
I can even get you a private jet.
Money. Are you serious?
I'm fucking boosted. You don't know?
Are you being serious right now? Oh, I love you so much. I can't wait.
Yeah.
I can't really wait.
Bye, Seer. Wait till me, I be biyama. For the sake of the love that I have for you.
I love you too.
But I dare pay oba a man who so umbuade understand. Yes,
you know me
calm spirit down.
I'm really calm.
I know you are calm, but maybe as time goes on, you're gonna change.
I'm going to change, I promise.
How sure are you?
100%.
Are you sure?
You can trust me, babe.
I trust you already, but I'm just afraid, yeah?
You don't have to be. I love you so much.
Promise.
I promise.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You are such a darling. I really love you, dear.
Time no day, unipa. Mo want him bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. Kumba ya huda nu botumu au mini. Mo want him bring up a kakana sikaya brantia. We dey grind all day.
So Jimmy, you know. So Jimmy, where I'm in Scanty.
Sikabe. Na pio watam woma aden ni banchi no body bia wo watam woma o so.
When you say cut what is Scanty.
Sikabe.
You see can away. Masa, wouldn't be here so long now, the no boy proud. Then the two style no, Scanty.
Medical school.
Where do you miss school? Now we shall answer our phone sika. Who shall answer our phone sika?
I am to pass in the Indian.
What's the matter? Scanty,
na the alarm for back on home fan see a GG scanner message me there.
I'll go away to me. I mean, sika na dia kwa share for. Mimi sika na wo dia kwa share for. Wabo na mati. For Scanty.
Akunta kwenkwen ya anya sa.
I don't wait.
I don't want to go to bed. I don't want to watch someone. No, slow down. Why? Is that what you say to me? What, son?
Isn't it Queen?
Queen, what has he done?
Iddi, that guy, he wants to kill me.
Why? What did you do?
I didn't do anything. I just needed some cash, so then I took some cash from the house, and it turns out it was his money, and then now he wants to beat me, so I ran from the house.
So he has been chasing you.
I don't know when he retreated back to the house, but he was chasing me for a while.
But why did you take his money?
No, it wasn't that. It was like I was hungry, and then you were also not home. So when I saw the money, I thought it was yours. So I just decided to take it.
You
and then
thought? How much was it?
Oh, it wasn't that much.
How much?
50 cedis.
50 cedis. And you think I have 50 cedis? You think I have 50 cedis? Talk to me. Do you think I have 50 cedis?
No.
You knew it wasn't mine, so why did you take it? You know the person we are with.
But
That
I
he
was
has
hungry.
anger. So you took 50 cedis to buy food. There is
It
more
wasn't
to
only
this.
food.
Then what? What else did you buy?
Some other school things.
School things.
Mm.
Hey, you know we are struggling, and you are taking 50 cedis to just go and mess around.
I didn't use it to mess around.
What did you use it for? If you can name something sensible.
Oh dear, it's okay. I'm sorry. Why? I didn't mean to take that.
So right now we have to now go and apologize, and he might even hit us. Why do you have to do that?
Mommy, like, I see, I'm tired of him. Every day he's hitting, every day he's threatening and stuff.
What
Why?
else can you do? Where else can you go? Do you have anyone? He's the only one helping us. So don't be getting him angry like that. If you see something of his there, don't touch it. Why do you do that? Why? And now you're running to me. What should I do? What do you want me to do? Huh?
I'm sorry.
I'm not the one you're supposed to tell that to. When we go back, you have to kneel down and apologize to him.
I have to kneel down.
I'm sure when he was talking about it, you also got angry. Because I'm not sure he would just get angry like that. Did you talk back? Did you talk back?
It was only small. What he was saying wasn't nice. So I just decided to let him
Talk back. Oh, don't be doing that. Even if you don't respect him, he's my boyfriend. And he's older than you. Please give him some respect. Besides, you took his money, so he has every right to be angry. You just go and sit there and wait for me. I'll close soon, then we go, okay? Don't worry. I'm not sure he's going to come here. Okay?
I hope so.
So just rest and then I'll see you later. I have to work. I'm not done. Okay, we'll close soon. Okay?
Alright,
So,
sure.
I'll see you.
Okay. Alright.
Owó bẹ fi à mi tó yẹn mo bẹ dá àbọ̀ntì ẹ̀ káì wọ́ wọ́n mi tó yẹn sọ wọ́n bẹ dá àbọ̀ntì káì wọ́n ní bíbẹ̀ jù mí wọ́n ní bíbẹ̀ jù mí sọ́yìn ẹ̀ wọ́n pẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ yẹn tuntun bẹ́ẹ̀ kàmẹ́ tí o fẹ́ mi pẹ́ẹ́rẹ́ tuntun sọ́yìn wọ́n tuntun kàm kẹfọ́ ẹ̀ bẹ́jìlá.
Kobe, is it this serious? What? Is this all because of 50 cedis?
Wọ́n yẹn lọ kasa kyerẹ́ rẹ̀ o mẹ́mi ní àkúrà mọ̀ náà o mẹ́mi ní àkúrà mọ̀ o.
Maybe he's feeling bad. That's why he came to me to come and apologize to you. We are sorry.
What
I will try and get it for you. Tomorrow I'll go and try and borrow 50 cedis for you, okay?
And then you'll last. Katrina, my last I found Sika. We need 50 Ghana. No, 70 Ghana.
Maybe 550, Mr. Yeah, who's a crab appreciate them? Who's a crab appreciate? I don't know.
Stop talking. Even if it's 100 cedis, I'll get it for you. You said 70, right? I'll try and get 70 cedis for you tomorrow.
Next time, I didn't find some Sika you.
I've already told him. He said he is sorry. He's not going to do that anymore.
I can't talk in Korean, so today I'm
going to listen.
Oh!
Time no day, unipai. Mo wanemre na peka kana sikaya brantia. Kumbe ya huda enu botumu au mimi ai.
Okay. Ameba honom ena mehia wo no. Che, me ka se bi ncho. achetan bia ho ene te ene nam now nsa we ni ti mo din bia isomu ayi bu na je graw hwe no wa fa se na we di ni pu ajewa na wo bo no obi amfa ajewa ma wawade o obi amfa ajewa ma wawade o eto ha wo si ye na wo hwe na da wo do nsa ba bo no akra ni be wu no ene me ban for wisdom. I came here to wisdom. I talk to you wisdom. Take my words like a wisdom and put your ear. What did I make catch on? We are mammy. Bakwasia and Intia futu. Can you pass all canon? Oh, yeah. Can you pass all cans? What can we send me in a area? I mean, country, I mean, 2 minutes, Jimmy Fool. Jimmy for say, never before was fast for I be boom fear. I show almost a more. Me come what Marcel. Let me see the house out of far. Oh, Zale. No, let me see the house out of far. You the craze. You the craze. You the craze. You the craze. Obia. What be sunny ban habit? Yeah. When you send crown. I don't know who say papa no. When you be real prison. And before I'm okay. Me na make catch. Before I'm okay. My catch. Before I'm okay. I don't want tabanko rano. It's before I'm okay. Good. Before you go so bra. Bra papa. Hey, and come before we fast for no call. Hey, you dey bra mo. Who bra re? Hey, bra mo. Koko bi sama se. Hey. Ha, ona ni mo. Na kwa tafo. Hey. Me gu kwa mo. Afra na wo bi ani mo so la long. Ona ni mo. Mo zo go kwa re. Kai. Abu wanche na wo mo go bisa. Wo. Hwe. Ko bisa. Oh, so we call about you say the way I'm working, I'm a poor man. Huh? When you pass for no more can be as a mobra. And yale. I'm so more black. Me see, Bolani kwa waboda no namwa. Ubeka su ni ebusua. Na masam nto wo se me bubu be Kenyan sasam kire wo. Enyi sasam na wo ka. Monson ye jimini na wo tu jimini. Onto ho asentia. Wo ye tu jimini. Na be wiu de bi and awum. Don't ever watching me. Don't take your fucking time. Stupid are you, nigga, man. Pasa, and did you matamo? I insult what are you doing? Okay, so be an bit maybe didn't mammy at my meeting didn't mammy at why? Who are you? Mamma about you. Mamma about you. To me, my didn't mammy at you. What fast for you way more? I call it free force or one. Could be silent. Do we got it just what you show the color. Black and black, red and red. Oh, yeah, Coco cry, a cry, brown skin crabino way. Not a black. Maybe a black, maybe a black, and you who black, I who black. Hey, who be running? I can't. Let's go to but to cut to cut arena soon. But can see reading that. Who can over before more and I say, let you move you. Kaka try. I'm say, and what a webium, a mono. What a manager is anymore. Now, double back rana, Oberuno, and I'll be back to no. Bra, I've been cooling. I bet shing up for some. What's so I didn't know. You bet about you. What do you about you? I just got someone who did that. Being that said that you see. May the woman will be assumed say money Pierre Hammy. May the woman draw be assumed. I don't want to me history touching mine. Where are they? In about 387. And I did go do me that dear petcher me this arm petcher. Kai wo boa mi to nya me. Say wo boa. Ha! Wo yan tro. Makari anti meet makari anti. And throw my meeting throw. Who power and throw too much. And throw go run. Wouldn't them to me? Would you know? Wouldn't them to me? They can't someone do catch it force 200. Ah, what was the phone to meet me at Scanty? Myself. What was the try. I mean, I'm asking something about to two. We are penny. I can't go be a customer penny. Yeah, say you get to a blocking. Now, back as you see. What do you mean? I say, now, God, I'm a cabusiri. Boss, Ricky, Juba, be Ricky. Can't check. Would you my catcher? Aquano, Shea, Shamabusiani, what a. I never form a quite. What, Busonibia, I did that.
Hey. Ntoni mbayana. Me bobi say on. Me bobi say on.
Ah, me na say ti bro no who na wo fresh boy. Who me damage betimi asay woni. Wo po ba wonya bi.
That's how na wa mi nim da.
Me nim na di kan asay.
Na wa mi nim da.
Eh na wo bo.
Oba say me say me like say
wo. So ah. The zongo face ni.
I'm bet you aka.
Keshe ka the Europe face na. Wow.
Ti na on fa se fon so am mo bra no. I'm so shoes ya ba ko pe.
We shoot you and come here. Ajam. Who come see us
I'm so shoes ya ba ko. Am ka ofi o. Ene e be to wa fa so.
I want to shoe papa say me. Why? Why the shoe ba? Come so osebo.
Why?
Come so osebo.
We osebo de ani bia.
Osebo ko hu ya no wo dwa.
We osebo de ani bia. Osebo de ani bia no e papa o. E papa kwa to anu bi na akodi na si wo no.
Osebo hu ya no wo dwa ne. Na si shoe be na si she.
Na see there.
Na see shoe ben wa she.
Na see there kwale shoe.
Na tell mo say Versace shoe Bernice down. Why would they buy it?
Na see shoe correct one me
say Tony red shoe. Tony red.
Yeah be.
Tony red Mazma leather.
Anu yan pabo we.
Oni wa.
So wa ni bi.
Yo parepa. Afi na over.
Shoe say.
See amu aje wa. Unni mu ahon. Amu aje wa.
Karen. What's going on? Nancy, I said, why very slow? Eh? Because I won't call a response. I don't know how we are hostile. Be I said, but just what's on just so. Me try to make cracky jokes. I say, won't feel me.
Because it's not funny. What you're doing is not funny.
What's
you are
wrong?
delaying everything.
Everything like.
We've already talked about this.
About what?
The visa, the papers, everything.
Yeah. Karen, you shouldn't be in a rush. We've already talked about this. Karen.
It's taking forever.
Forever like how? We have to first go to the court, sign all the necessary documents, get the marriage certificate, and
how many days is that going to take? Like, everything should be the game.
Yeah. So it's just like you shouldn't rush. Huh?
You will what?
Yes, I said like wait. Where did I wait? Where did
You're asking me where you reached.
What are we discussing? Yeah, like I said, you shouldn't be in a rush. We'll go to the embassy. Don't worry. But we have to first of all go to the court. We should go to court.
Focus on it. Focus.
Yeah, I'm focusing. Why? We should first of all go to the court, sign all the necessary documents, get our marriage certificate, then I can take you to the embassy. Why? We shouldn't be in a rush.
The game.
Yeah, baby. We shouldn't be in a rush.
Time no day, unipai. Mo wanemre na peka kana sikaya branchai. Kumba ya huda enu botumu au miniai. Mo wanemre na peka kana sikaya branch.
You know. Then I'm in my own.
What are you talking about?
You mind bro for akase. Boa. Akonte before bebrebe we here. O de me kasa na wo. Yo agin so kase dia o me dey see be won when so te. Then I'm in my own precious.
Don't talk. What are you talking about? You have to talk to me. Let me know what you are talking about.
Who in your head? Then you go catch your wife no. Muni enu. Me no tebone. If you na me no tebone. It's then I'm going to catch him offer. Complain then I'm going to catch him offer. Says it's memorable. Me take you.
I didn't say it's in a bad way. I just went to him so that he'll come and talk to you about it.
Oni me mbeka sa. Ele fani o makotena ni nchen. Wo focus you so bebra kwa be fam yi ni wakotena mu nchen.
Akonta kwenkwen tu mbeka sa o franim sa are. Akonta kwenkwen.
Uri anu waje dan. David. Uri anu waje dan. Waje nan. Wo de hu ye me hisi obi awuya so wo Who ye me see the break? Was ya who? Me no you about dated 3 years ni. Nena ibibi me asampe. Me so ni ma homachi anu ati wani. Me pe kwa bi kura tu dada. O se be guy. The woman be go on when
Enye guy. Na o kan boni afa me go fa ntan ka me minye di na me minjina na. Ana woni me nyara ni 29 be.
We are we want you be to afifia ati.
No.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Keep
So I say
quiet.
we be 210, we be content. Kwa daga pa na bi.
Don't mind. He's just a child. Don't mind him, please.
Say me catch you. Let me two me nyen pa boni ni o. Ejewa. E for me dia go.
That's why I didn't tell any random person, but my uncle, I thought you would be okay with it. Whenever I talk to you about it, you get angry, so I just wanted a mature person to come and talk to you.
Now what for no you mature? What for you mature? What for you ni tiro when you baby ambo? When you baby ambo? Obekwa kwhwe na nam bia ba e na se manfo tire ho. De bia blade kuta no. Ko yi obiti.
Agunta jade oyen. David ejima mi de meka so. He, ara mi so ye wan.
Uni ara jimi na no wati. Wa na so di bia. Ai! Ara! Mi jimi o.
You wa yen ti o mi. Esa so atimani ke. Uni aba no. O ba san yen ti e kro bi. Ai na body tete. Obetu. Ai, yen alo mi pa anso. Ngo hin pa. Asiwo. Uni ara obetu.
Sorry. I'm sorry about my uncle and my brother. I'm really sorry. Right now, if you sack us from me, where are we going to? I'm not sure my uncle is willing to accept us in his home. Please, I'm sorry. I thought I was doing what was right.
Listen, you know imagine say me too. A car ma bono. Say me jama kokura na mi akura ma yeme ho. Ba ani o me bi o ho no ma ene me nche. Sa o fa ko hwini we de o ko di me nkomo kire ne sei. Ah? Wo fa we na no ha no. O hwe ni tiro, ewiase ni tiro wa ma che se, nyansa di nyansa kura wo fa no ni bi. Wa hwe bi abeka se bi am didi wo fa. Ah, ma me ndi na tem. Because o hia me ankura se sema a wo ye no. Me metima ye de ye chen sa. Ejiwa, me nanyo first and last. Ah, meti so wo fa. Abeka chem so abeka me ho asema kire ni bi. Ti ase na me ka choro no. What did he? No, so did he? With a friend of Bernice, people. Yes, you come to never tell me hot super. Only baby. Ute. Ka unya mana nka me fan to us na ka ewi ana ka enyina didi preko.